And we'll make a filling to be used with our no gluten cake. I've got some cream coconut in here, and that's based on rice and coconut, so it doesn't contain gluten. And also I've got my white chocolate ganache and some pasteurized cream, double cream. So I'm going to make a mix. Okay, just getting the scale. I'm placing my jug in here and some chocolate. It's going to be about 150. And then I'm going to put my coconut cream. So it just seems that's about 180 grams in here. I'm going to match with the same amount of chocolate ganache. I'm going to put 30 more grams so that I know the percentage is 1:1. And I'm going to put 500 grams of cream, if I can fit it into the jug. Should be okay. Okay, and then use my hand mixer to incorporate. Gosh, forgot that I've got that coconut cream. So as you can see, it just turned up into a very quick cream, which is not just quick, it's also delicious. And it's got the right consistency for me to use for filling my cake.